Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add YouTube shortcut on desktop. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all I'm going to open up YouTube from my Google Chrome. Okay, and after you have opened YouTube website, you can click on these three dots on the top right, and then you're going to scroll down until you find save and share option. And then here you will have option to create shortcut, and just click on this option. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on create. Okay, and now the shortcut has been added to desktop. This one, you just need to click on the shortcut to open up YouTube. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a YouTube shortcut on desktop. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!